Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. This is presentation for RESPEC2021 Regional Educators and Students Products Exhibition by Polytechnic Port Dickson. Before I start, my name is Amira Afiqah binti Aminuddin from Polytechnic Shah Alam, and I would like to share my product's title, which is Development on Visual Reinforcement Audiometry for Hearing Tests by Sound and Visual Animation. My product category is under Innovative Assessment. In my product background, visual reinforcement audiometry is one of the techniques for evaluating auditory sensitivity in young children, which is to assess the hearing. Basically, the normal VRA uses sound stimulus associated by the conventional toys with the light signal. In this innovation, I have developed the audible sound based on the level of hearing loss in children, which I have implemented 20 decibel for normal hearing and more than 20 decibel for abnormal of hearing. This is because the children which hard to hear 20 decibel and above may have issue with their hearing. Also, I have developed the video animation as an indication of the sound. The objective of this product is to develop sound system required for the children hearing disabled. Next is to design the visual animation in appropriate picture for the children. And lastly is to analyze the relationship between disabled sound and time for hearing test evaluation. For design and the solution, I have used Microsoft PowerPoint as software implementation to develop the video animation. Next, for the hardware implementation, Arduino Uno is the hardware implementation that I use to complete my audio or sound system. If you look at the schematic diagram, I have used the DF mini player and SD card to insert my sound that I have been edited from my PC and transfer it into the MP3. Based on this block diagram, I have three main parts, which is the input. For the first one, I use the switch to on my audio system, and also I will on the tab to show the video animation. After that, it will move to the process, which is sound system. The F mini player that I use from Arduino will be generated to the audio, and visual animation from the Microsoft PowerPoint that I have transferred it into the MP4 player will appear on the speaker and tab, which I call as the output. Based on this product design, you can see that the tab as the video animation and the audio system, which has three main parts, which is switch and two buttons. One button is stated as the button sound A, which is the sound of clock ticking, to clarify as the normal sound, sound like conversation sound, to clarify as the abnormal sound. This is because these two sounds have clarified in specific of 20 decibel and 60 decibel in level of hearing loss. And also, I put a portable speaker here because the audio system part will connect into the portable speaker, and then the sound will appear on the speaker. Here, there is an audio system and also the speaker. First, switch to the on position to boot off the speaker. And then, press 2 times mute button. After press the mute button, connect the wire port from the voice system to the speaker on the aux section, and then the sound system is ready to use. In this video, children will be given conventional toys such as puzzle intended to keep them entertained with the game. When the observer will switch on the audio system, the sounds A will appear on the speakers and video animation show on the tab screen. The sound A, which normal sound, will take 10 seconds to be appear, and after 10 seconds it will change to the sound B. After the sound were played, an observer will see the child's reactions where if the children respond to the sound A, then they do not have any issue with the hearing impairment. For the conclusion, this visual reinforcement audiometry-based sound and visual animation was functioned well. The early detection of the implementation of visual animation and sound system with specific threshold was very helpful in the early identification of deafness to avoid it become worse. So that's all from me. Thank you.